Hey, what's up? Today going to be installing the air ducts for the front braking system on the Z06 Vet that's behind me, but first, gotta start it up. I left it in track mode, so it's gonna be pretty loud. Have this entire brake kit thing that's going on here. It's got a bunch of pieces in it. Some ducking. So first, gotta start by removing this main deflector, which is the deflector just for dirt and stuff to get up into the control arm. But there's another deflector that comes with the kit that we're going to be installing, because when you put these guys on, it takes up too much room. Okay, so here is the dust shield, and then this is an air horn that actually scoops the air in and then up through the ducting and out to where the brake caliper will be, and then cool the brake caliper. And basically this just bolts up with a few bolts to the control arm. So everything is now bolted up. Here is the front duct, and it is going up the vents to the outlet at the brakes. And then we also have the deflector bolted back up. So now we have 2 points of cooling the brake system. First is the point here, and then which is from the front bumper, and now from the lower control arm. Time to get on the other side.